Hello all. TRANSWIND is one of the leading manufacturer of winding machines. We have here Mr. Jayaram, director of the company, and we'll be speaking about the TRANSWIND strategies and future plans.
I am one of the director of TRANSWIND Technologies PVT LTD.
Right.
We are the leading manufacturer of winding machines and some special purpose machines. Our factory is in Bangalore. We are basically in winding machine manufacturing. Started in 2012. Now our journey started at 2012. So it's very difficult to bring the factory from our 12-year journey is here. So very difficult.
So what new innovative technologies you are showcasing in this season of it?
Recently, we are innovating IoT systems in our existing winding machines. And in India, we are the first to introduce one switchgear box in our one graded layer insulation winding machines.
Right.
Along with that, our product, we have changed some, newly we have started to SPM, some special purpose machine manufacturing along with our existing products. That is also recently we started one more unit of special purpose machine manufacturing. So in that we are manufacturing almost conveyors, pressing machines, and for automobile sectors we are complete engine assembly lines.
Right.
And other based on customized we manufacturing the machines based on customer requirement. We understand the concept, we design and manufacturing and supply the product to the customers.
How these innovations, actually help your consumer base and the industry as a whole?
Actually, this is based on their requirement. Now all customers are missing some bridge between what actually manufacturers first. We need to understand what is the actual requirement of the customers.
Right.
And based on their requirement, we understand the concept and manufacturing as per their requirement. It is user friendly to the end users. That is the big advantages for the end users, means customers. So that bridge we will fill, and that is the best for the even future market.
So speaking about the future expansions, can you please brief us about the future plans and expansions?
Future plans means before 12 years back when we are starting in our company, we are only just 2 persons. Me and Mr. Basuraj, we are the two started this company. Nowadays, within 10 years span, now we are working almost 100 people in our company, and around 100. So another 2 to 3 years we are expand our company around 3 acres land we are planning now, and we expand our company and we are employing for the society. So when we are starting this journey, our area is, we are started with just 800 square meter of area, and now we are almost 12,000 square feet area we have right now. And another 2 to 3 years we need minimum 2 acres land for expanding our facilities and company.
Okay,
so that is our future plan.
How do you see ELECRAMA and how is it helping TRANSWIND?
Yeah, it is a very big and very good platform for meeting all our customers in single platform. It's a very good, and it's all even we meet all our customers and this thing in a single platform, and it is a very big flow, and we are very advantage for creating this type of opportunities for all industries. In this type of, actually this is in this ELECRAMA we got lot of inquiries from our customers in single last 4-5 days. We are full of booking of orders, so many orders we are booking. This is a very good platform for all, and thanks for that to IMA organizer. So creating these big opportunities for all manufacturers.
So government is coming up with more and more push to manufacturing. This budget also several things are being announced. Also on renewables. So how TRANSWIND is coping it, and what strategies do you follow to achieve that goal?
Actually, nowadays in India, actually business opportunities more because of our good government. Actually, all this thing foreign customers means looking for India nowadays. We are prepare a lot for that also, and we are also exporting machines lot of, and we are supporting in that way for India also, for the economy, Indian economy. Last year actually we are doing almost 1 to 2 country we are export our machines. This year we are covering 2 to 3 countries.
Right.
So like that we are planning to export more to our product, and we help some little bit in our Indian economy.
So you are also planning for exporting your products
Yes,
to
yes,
abroad.
exactly. Exactly. We are exporting more. We are planning to export more. Nowadays we are completely almost 80-85% of domestic customers we are covered. In future actually we are planning to expand our business in export.
So before we wind up, one last thing I would like to say. Is there any message from your side to the industry?
Any companies, teamwork is most important.
Right.
Work together towards a common vision. That is most important for any industries.
Right.
Actually, we are lucky to in that our team is very strong. Our because of that we are here. Because of our team we are here today.
Right.
So that is one big advantage for us to from that stage to be our company is today is in this stage.
We were interacting with Mr. Jayaram from TRANSWIND. So that's all from our side. Thank you very much for joining us.